In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Jotform template. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own template ready to share with others. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting jotform.com. If you haven't signed up yet, it's a good idea to create an account or simply log in if you're already a user. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where all your forms are stored. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it will be crucial for easy navigation throughout this process. Next, you'll need to select a form that you wish to turn into a template. Browse through your list of forms, and once you've found the one you'd like to use, look for the More drop-down menu. This option is typically found next to the form's title. Clicking on it will reveal several actions you can take with your form. Among these options, you'll find Share as Template. Go ahead and click on this. This action essentially begins the process of transforming your existing form into a template that others can use. It's a fantastic way to contribute to the Jotform community and share your creativity and expertise. Now, it's time to give your template a proper identity. You'll need to enter a template title, which should be descriptive yet concise, clearly conveying the purpose of the form. This will help users understand its function at a glance. Following this, you'll select a language for your template. Selecting the appropriate language ensures that your template is accessible and usable by your intended audience. Next, you'll be asked to enter a description. This section is important as it provides potential users with more context about the template. Describe what the form is for and any unique features it might have. The description is your chance to really sell your template, so make sure it's informative and engaging. After setting a description, you'll need to select the industries that your template is suitable for. This categorization helps users find the templates that are most relevant to their needs. So choose wisely to ensure your template reaches the right audience. Moving on, you'll select the type and profession that best match your form. This further refines the categorization, allowing your template to be easily searchable and relatable for users in specific fields. It's a small step, but an important one for making your template stand out in a sea of options. Finally, when everything is set and you're satisfied with your template's details, click Share. This action will publish your template to Jotform's template gallery. It's now available for anyone to use, adapt, and benefit from your work. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a Jotform template. This quick guide has shown you how easy it is to contribute to the Jotform community by offering your unique solutions to others. Thank you for following along, and happy form creating.